For my money, these are the greatest Yeezys of all time. Welcome back to Kicks on Kicks, my channel where I review sneakers, and today we're taking a look at the greatest Yeezy sneaker of all time, in my opinion. Yes, better than the Red Octobers. Yes, better than the original Air Yeezy 1s. Better than all the 350s. Listen, for my money, I should say, this is my favorite pair of Yeezys, and that is the Yeezy 700 in the Wave Runner colorway. The one that really, really ignited the wave of dad shoes. Yes, New Balances existed. Yes, Sauconys existed. Yes, Asics existed. The gel light walked so this one could run. But dang it, these Yeezys flew off the shelves, and we've been wearing dad shoes ever since. Let's talk about this shoe that really pioneered a lot of trends, and we'll talk about the differences between this rep and the original retail authentic sneaker, of course. And we'll take a look at the packaging and all that, courtesy of the homies in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started with a look at the outsole. Yes, I smacked myself in the face with the shoe. Rubber, black outsole. Nothing super crazy to see. I love the little pods where you can kind of peek in and see that Boost technology on display with a little sail hits in between or kind of under there. You can see them poking out from the midsole. So this midsole is like a sail colored midsole with a couple of hits of this fluorescent orange. I really love this wavy pattern on the midsole, and I particularly enjoy the way it the contours just kind of flow into the upper to really kind of make one big piece of art, right? Now, let's take a look at the upper. Now, the upper of this shoe is a bunch of mesh and suede overlays, but the mesh, I guess, is the base layer. So we got this blue mesh here at the toe box. We got this sort of greenish mesh. We've got black suede overlay. Got black suede overlay out in the back. We got a couple hits of 3M right there. And we got some 3M under this mid panel as well. Super pale yellowish green laces. I like those. And a mesh tongue. For my money, these are the most comfortable Yeezys. I like the 350s, but the 350s feel a little bit bouncy to me. These are a little bit more secure, and I just love these for everyday wear. Before I had these, I had the washed amber, I think that's what they're called, with the orange sole. It's basically the Wave Runner with the orange sole. And boy, first of all, they get dirty because this suede does not stay clean long, but they're so comfortable. I wear them all the time, and that's also why they get dirty so quickly, because I just want to wear them all the time, every day, anytime. Anyway, that's the shoe. Let's look at the back. On the back of this, you got these cool little pods where more 3M is poking through. You can see those. This is pretty soft, so it's easy to put on your foot. Man, this was just such a groundbreaking shoe. This top-down view, there's nothing quite like it when you're looking at your feet and you see this view. It just looks really cool. It's just one of those shoes that just looks cool from every angle. But what really sells this for me is the color. I've got a pair of these in that, what was it? What do they call it? Photon blue or whatever it was. The blue on blue with the red hits. I wasn't a big fan. I've almost never worn them, but these could get worn any day of the week. Love these a whole lot. Let's look at the packaging real quick, because we got this. This is the Yeezy 700 infamous box. Let's see, what are the colors on this? Yeezy Boost 700. Mugsugar. I don't know what that's supposed to say. Medium gray, solar. I don't know what that's supposed to say. Sea white, sea black. These colors make no sense to me, but I got them in a US size 9. And that's it. There's a little interesting tag right here. I don't know if this was like mimic a tag from a retailer or what, but I can assure you I didn't grab these from a retailer. On the inside of the box, just the standard Yeezy paper. One thing I've noticed about rep Yeezys, that's one legit checking indicator you can almost always count on. For whatever reason, they never wrap the sneakers in the paper. The paper just gets folded, put flat in the box, then they put the sneakers on top of it for some reason. I don't know what that reason is, but that's one easy tell. If you're trying to spot a replica shoe versus a retail on these Yeezys, besides the fact they're not selling retail Yeezys anymore. So the only way to get these is on the resale market or to grab a Fugazi. But such a dope shoe. Such a dope shoe. And I'm glad I finally have a pair. It was so hard to get these because these are not the new hotness. The wave on the wave runners has passed. Yeezy Boost 700 on the tag here. Size 9. And a bunch of other tags. I don't know if these tags check out, but pretty much see them on every Yeezy. And that's it, man. Adidas Yeezy branding on the insole. Same on both insoles, actually. A dope shoe. Got them from a dope seller. And I'm excited to have them. Huge shout out to the homies that sent these my way. They're in the description down below. And I will see you guys in another review real soon. Peace.